totally be able to do that. Well, I hope that's recording.
Alright. Yeah, it is. It's about both sides. I mean, like, I don't know. Stuff on you? Like right here. One on the knee, on the thigh. Oh, yeah, okay, we're good. Yeah, keep going. Hold on. Stay there. Can you go? Wait, how are you going to get down? Okay, so we try again. I think you could have done it. You got. I don't know if I'm gonna get down. I don't want something. So. Well, you can just. Why can't we do this? Only you could stand on the button. I don't think that's gonna work. Do we have cameras here? No. Okay, yeah. I'm done. Yeah. Okay.
Oh.